Want to whip up this quick fall DIY decor before your guests arrive? Stay tuned. Hey good people, welcome to MommyRoomREDO. This is a show to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, I'll show you how to create these DIY Dollar Tree candlestick holders in less than 30 minutes. Let's get started. Hey sis! We know you've been watching MommyRoomREDO content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. So this is a Dollar Tree inspired DIY, and we got our 3 primary supplies from that store. The candlestick holder glass, the rhinestones, as well as the tall candlestick holders. Making, I love these. Now when I first saw them, this was a wood color, so you'd have to paint it, but then I actually found it in black. So this also was $1, and I plan to do a triple threat of this and connect it together and put some rhinestones on it. As a first step, I painted the candlestick holders black, and I used this Rust-Oleum semi-gloss protective enamel that I purchased from Lowe's. I let the candlestick holders dry overnight, and then I used the E6000 epoxy glue to attach the 2 pieces together. As a final step, I added the rhinestone. In my case, I just put it around the top, but you could decorate any way that you like. And what I love best about these 3 beauties is that you can use them for various occasions. So I'm looking forward to changing out those candles for Christmas, Valentine's Day, and whatever other occasion comes my way. What is your favorite fast fall DIY? Let us know down in the comments. And what video would you like to see next? If there's a project you want us to work on, type it down in the comments. If we select your suggestion, we will shout you out in the next video. It's getting ready to be Black Friday, y'all. Do y'all want to shop with me? Do you want me to tell you the best steals and deals? Let me know. Happy fall to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. So please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Take care.